This is it right here, the 6-second pass. Let's hope, let's cross our fingers for Casey. He really wants this. We want it for him. Let's see it happen. Oh, Ripper, come on, come on. All right guys, so we're out here at Houston Raceway. We brought the Copo. We got Casey's car hiding away over here. And right around the truck, we got the black twin turbo car. So we are out here and ready to go. First run for the Copo. I think it's gonna be first up. I'm excited to see what it runs. Casey, he's gunning for 6s today. He went 7.0 not too long ago. I don't know if you guys saw that. But yeah, the car went 7.0. He really wants to get a 680 out of it. He wants to skip right past the 6.9, go right to the 680s. So let's go see what the Copo does. Okay, so we got a little bit later. Our buddy was telling us that the track just wasn't quite ready yet. It was still a little hot, so we waited a minute, but now it's about time to go. Jason's gonna pull up first in the twin turbo car, and then Trevor's coming up in the Copo. What are we looking for here today, Casey?
We're gonna check the shocks out right here. We just got them back. Jason, he hasn't got very much seat time in this thing. We had another rental, so we're just out here to see if we can adjust the shocks, see if he can feel good in the car. No wheelies, no nothing crazy, and good shakedown passes.
Nice. Sounds like it didn't shift. I'm not sure what's going on with that. Definitely let a nice cloud of smoke out, getting it cleared out from sitting around and idling around the shop, but it's definitely got some work to be done. So we got the Copo coming up now. Let's see what it can do. Looks like a 9.0 at 152, so that's the first pass that car has ever made since brand new in the showroom. First pass down. She's looking good, so just a soft launch on that one. 9.0, just kind of figuring the car out, so next pass I'm sure will be faster. We're just, like I said, first pass ever down the track, and it looked good doing it. So on the turbo car, so what I heard from Jason is it wouldn't shift automatically. It's got a little solenoid thing that shifts it, but apparently that didn't work, and he had to shift it himself late, and then he just kind of let off. He was just going for more of an 1/8 mile, and yeah, so that's what happened there. But yeah, we'll get him all iced down. Casey, I'm sure, is raring to go. He wants to get that 6 tonight. I'm hoping he gets it. 6.8 is what he's shooting for. So yeah, let's get out there and see some more racing. Well, they're over there sharing slices of pizza. We got the man behind the laptop getting it done, mail order tuner.
Yeah, we got a little bit to do. We're gonna adjust on everybody's stuff. I'm gonna see if I loaded something in here and see if we can get out here and run at the 1/4 mile. If it feels good in the 1/8, we're gonna go ahead and keep going. See if I got one bolted in the chamber. I didn't get it done last time, but found a couple of things that I could adjust on, and hopefully this is gonna be it. But we're gonna go adjust on the twin turbo car now, see where we can get with that. Just change the radials, put a different shifter in it, and some other stuff. We just wanna make sure everything's working correctly.
You already know what it is when Casey's rolling up to the line. It's gonna be a fast pass. I'm hoping for that 680 for him. First hit. I mean, the dude's excited. I'm excited. It's been a long time in the running. You guys know we've been gunning for that 6 with this thing. It's a 4-bolt 5.3 re-sleeve we built him, 427, and it's ready for 6s. 720. 723 at 191, so it sounded a little choppy. Don't know what's going on. We'll go check the logs and see what's up, but it was definitely getting it. Alright, so we got out of it super early, obviously. It sounded like it was running strong though, but Jason's just getting used to the car, getting used to the new suspension. We changed a lot of things, and you know, he hasn't raced it a whole lot himself yet, so just getting used to it. Now we got the Copo. 8.9, got her in the 8s, so 8.9 at 148. Didn't sound like it wanted to shift into third there, but just second pass ever, so you definitely got some more work to do on it, some more additions to add, another cooling system. It's got a trans brake that it doesn't have on it right now, so that'll all be stuff we add. This is it right here, the 6-second pass. Let's hope, let's cross our fingers for Casey. He really wants this. We want it for him. Let's see it happen. Ripper, come on, come on. $7.1, so close. 7.1, 191 again, same mile an hour. Man, that car is wanting a 6 real bad. Guys, I mean, I know we're gunning for a 6, but that car screams. 7.1. It's one of our 5.3 re-sleeve blocks. It's a 427. It's got our PRC 247 heads on it, custom turbo cam. I mean, that engine, it's a 4-bolt block. Ripping those times. I mean, gosh, that car gets it. 191 miles an hour twice in a row. I mean, that car gets down.
Mr. Rance?
Yeah, I know. Still not there, man.
She's still a ripper though.
Yeah, still a ripper, but not quite there. Still the same thing. I don't know if it's the heat out here today. Need to probably spin the tires just a little bit, kind of trying to shake them. Probably need to put tires on it, recheck everything, and bring it back out here today. I'm having some transmission problems with the 2-3 shift. I've had the same kind of thing happen before, so I need to double and quadruple check that before I drive back out here again, that we don't have this. 1-2 seems solid. Number 2-3 sometimes just doesn't want to work. So and it's been like that all day today. So I need to go back over some stuff on that. Obviously that's hurting me today, and I just can't get there, you know? So try again.
Still fun?
Yeah, I know, it's all right. Car's getting a little faster every time. Trevor's getting it dialed in. 154 mile an hour. Cool car. So it does have a trans brake you can add to it that it doesn't have right now. You just plug it in under the dash, so it'll have that. It's got a cooling system you can add as well. It just plugs into some quick fit lines that they already added to the car from the factory. So those will be a couple additions to get it down a little faster. It's hot out here, it's humid, but hey, it's a good first round out. Well guys, Casey's loaded up. I think that's gonna be the last pass for the Copo tonight.
It's coming on to about 11:45 right now, so it's getting late. I think Jason wants to make another pass in the turbo car, so I'll go back, catch up with him, give Trevor his slip from the Copo run. I mean, 880, that's pretty good. I mean, the thing's getting down there. It's got, like I said, some more things to be added, but yeah, that's the first time it's ever been to the track running 880, so pretty awesome, pretty cool. You can buy that package from Chevy just like that. It's pretty neat to see how clean it is, how legit, and you know, how easy it is to go run some 8s. Yeah, that was a nice 8th mile pass right there. The car's ripping. That's all he's looking for is a good 8th. Let's see what it is. What are we looking at, Casey?
A little lazy. Today it's been a little lazy in the 60 foot.
Do you think maybe that's because it's been neglected lately?
That does happen.
Maybe he drives enough?
Yeah, that does happen sometimes, you know? So, 502, 140, almost 105, yeah, 145.39. So, 60 foot's a little off. Anytime you put fresh tires on one of these cars, they just change the shocks up. Obviously, the car hasn't done anything besides burnouts in front of the parking lot, in front of the shop. So, probably haven't checked the fuel filter. Still probably the same fuel in it for 6 months. So, could need some things, you know. But it's ready to go.
It's been a good time. It's
been a good time. Make 2 or 3 hits today. Probably put it up for 4 more months. Hopefully not.
See you in December.
Yeah, exactly. We're gonna wait till it cools off and go a little faster.
All right, guys. Well, that's gonna about do it from Houston Raceway. So it was a good day. Hey, we didn't hit the 6 with Casey's car. The quest for 6s continues, so that'll be fun. I mean, we know that car is gonna get it. It's just got to line everything up perfectly. The Copo threw down some good times. I mean, 880s for its first time ever at the track. It's doing good. The black twin turbo car, I mean, hey, it always goes fast. I mean, that thing rips. He was just running some 8th mile times today, so just getting it more dialed in. Those new shocks look like they can take a little heavier launch, so we'll work on dialing that in and everything. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Take it easy.